Because you saw you're like, I thought you already did your fidget collection stuff. But yeah, I did, but I found a lot more after the video. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have more fidget spinners. I only put one in this video. I'm only putting one in this video. So yeah. So the first one, I guess we'll just do a fidget. My favorite fidget spinner ever, because you can spin it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And it has a light on it. For you guys, it's only red, but it's little. It's right when you turn it on. It's really cool. I really love fidget spinners. I have like 5 of them, but I only have 2 right now. I made 1. So yeah, that's. And also, guys, if you didn't watch this video, click off, because you need some catching up to do. If you haven't watched the first one, you go watch that before this one. I have like 10 squishies. I have 4 squishies. I'm squishing one right now. It looks so red. Oh, and guys, be quiet and listen to this, and it sounds so nice. That's like so, and I love that. I got this when I was like 3 years old. Yeah. That's why it's like that. And guys, I also have gymnastics classes today. Wait, what's it? He's like, yo, that's just her eyeball. Are you? I really love. I wish I could turn my camera. Oh, I will. Guys, my hair's kind of crazy because I'm making this video at like 3 p.m. in the morning. It feels like. So here she is. Hear how satisfying this is? That's so satisfying. And then I have this squishy, which is a cloud. And that's pretty cool. It does have a giant hole in it though. Because, actually, I don't know how that hole got there. I don't know if Beanie Boos are fitted. No, they're not. But this is so fun to play with. It's sticky, but, it's like a perfect slime sticky. Like, when you make a perfect slime, it's like that kind of sticky. And then I have 2 of these. I have a fish and a whale. And these, they're not too squishy. I don't really like them too much. But, yeah. It's that. I know where I'm at. Don't listen to that. That's just so sad. Okay, so squishy stuff, a lot of that. Now, bouncy balls. I will bounce one. I have a blue big one. I have a blue big one right here. It doesn't bounce on my carpet, but it's bouncy because it's bouncy. Oh, guys, I can bounce it. It doesn't bounce. Well, it bounces though. Watch it. Okay. There we go. Finally, it bounced. Sorry. And then I don't really know if this is a fidget or not. I just wanted to smack it in the face. Well, this thing, I think it's a fidget. It like opens up and it's a Hatchimal. But I don't really know if it's a fidget or. I have 2 of them. Here it is. Why am I in the dark? Guys, if you know if this is a fidget or not, good, but like I don't have my comment section is not turned on, so don't comment or don't try to because it's not turned on. I'll tell you when it is. And I have this stress ball, magic 8-ball. It actually makes me stressed though. So yeah. Okay, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Well, this vlog's over, so I want you to make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and also, guys, just smash that like button and subscribe right now, or else I will find you. Well, I guess this vlog's over, and I'm